with PyroLand fireworks, and it's a pleasure to be here with you guys tonight. Some of you don't know, but this year we are celebrating our 10-year anniversary of the brand PyroLand fireworks. For the last 10 years, PyroLand Fireworks has continued to bring you some of the brightest colors and newest effects that consumer fireworks have to offer. Whether you're shooting a backyard show or a competition-level pyro musical, PyroLand Fireworks has the product to help your show stand out. Tonight, I'd like to share with you some of my favorite product combinations, colors, and sounds that are offered in our collection. If you see something tonight that you'd like to use in your own show, come see us at our booth in Class C vending. I'd like to thank the PGI for this opportunity to share some of my art. I'd also like to thank my crew that helped me set up today, especially my brother Jordan. I love you, dude. I'd also like to thank all of you that have supported our brand since the beginning. Lastly, I'd like to thank my beautiful wife for always believing in me and helping me chase my passion. Please enjoy the show. We are PyroLand Fireworks.
Woo! Smoking fireballs for you, How about PyroLand? Woo! Boy, Joe Cowart and his team did a heck of a job there, didn't they? Go give him a hand.